All right, welcome to another day of framing, me in the shadows. All right, today we need to find a way to get these trusses onto that roof. One option is to call the truss company, say, hey, there's a problem with the trusses, can you send the driver out here and look at them? And then they say, well, what's the problem? We simply say, well, they're not on the roof. Anyway, I could probably con them into putting another stack up there for me, but we're gonna try something a little different. There's a theory on how the Egyptians built the pyramid, or whoever built the pyramids. They probably didn't call themselves Egyptians. They might have, I don't know, I'm no historian. Anyway, there's what's called the internal ramp theory, which basically, let's pretend my hand is the pyramid. They built a ramp and worked their way up to make the pyramid. So what I'm going with is the external ramp theory. I'm gonna use the wall here and these planks as a ramp. Put the truss here and we ramp it up to the building. So this method I like to call the external ramp theory. So we'll see how well it works. We're going to build up the ramps here and see how it goes. Problem naturally is these trusses are strong in their upright position, not laying down. So it's not going to be fun to move them, but it's got to get done. So the ropes are tied under the trusses and then to the top cord here. In theory, the ropes will help pick this up onto the ramp and get it started. By tying them to the tops, since all the strength is downward on the truss, it shouldn't have any issues or problems. I'm a little concerned that the tail is hanging down and hitting the wall. If they do, we'll push them up with a stick. Not a big deal. So ropes are taut, so it should start moving. Next problem, the remote can't go this far. You know, we're a good 100 feet, well, 70 or, I don't know, between 70 and 80 feet away from the actual winch, and the remote can't go that far. So, I'm probably going to have to stand in the middle of the building while my dad watches it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Well, it took 11 minutes, but we got it up there. So, it wasn't that bad. Gramps is a little more concerned with it than I was, but I think it's fine. The truss is up, so now it's back to business as usual. I figure a couple more we'll be expert at it, and it won't be too bad. So we'll start pulling just like we've been doing, making sure to keep it balanced the whole way, and get the truss up. 8.5 on the top plate. Alright, well you can hit it this way if you want. What? Alright. Yeah, good enough. Nope, perfectly safe. That's another one down. All right, we're at a interesting point here. The ropes really should come into one and then pull from the center, but there's not quite enough angle for it. A little hard to describe. We have the ropes tied in over here. I do, with slip knots. Hopefully this works. As I was explaining to the old man here, if one fails, it's got another to keep it up. So I'm not too worried about it, but fingers crossed. Ready? Yep. Let's not stand under. I don't have much of a choice, do I? Well, let's see if my slip knots worked. I'm thinking they would. Yeah, look at that. carabiners. Yeah, you're not. You gotta go that way. Don't put a fly anything once you get it up. Alright, we have reached a truss milestone. We are no longer installing the common everyday ones, these guys. We are now installing what we are calling the box trusses. They're not called that, but that's what a layman's term, box truss. That is for the air conditioning unit to sit in, so that's fun. The spec sheet says these don't weigh any more than the standard ones we've been putting up, but as Gramps pointed out, you aren't putting in a 12-foot 2x6 in the middle of it, not calling it heavier. So, we should still be able to get it up, but it's going to be a little heavier, I think. go, everybody. The very last one. Nice moment. Trusses are done. Took down the ramps, the truss ramps to hoist them up, and it's looking good. Cleaned up the inside of the building, so it's pretty nice and clean in here now. We don't have to step over everything. Now, how long did it take? These trusses took, I don't know, about an hour and a half each. We had to hoist them up the ramp, drag them all the way across the building, stand them up, nail them, crawl up there, nail off the peak. So the beginning took about an hour and a half. Middles took about an hour, less than or greater than, but about an hour. The ends down here, since we didn't have to drag them very far, I didn't have to retie any ropes, and they were easier to stand up. They took 20 minutes. So figure on average, took an hour each. There's 33 trusses, so 33 hours worth of work went into this thing. But quicker than the walls. Easier too, really. The only problem is you're working up in the air. That's not fun. But it is done. Tomorrow the sheathing starts, and we take it from there for the roof. But yeah, what a pain in